I'll be sharing with you with about 5 websites that will help you to make at least 1,000 naira per day in Nigeria. I'm sure you might be worried or you might be disturbed about how much can 1,000 naira earn for you in a day. But I'm sure you should also be able to understand that with consistency and hard work, for the next 30 days, that you're able to make at least 30,000 naira for yourself. And you understand what 30,000 naira can do for you in present day Nigeria. Hi, my name is Linus and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I make videos that teach you how to make money online and also to scale your online business. If that is the kind of content you would like to watch, please, you need to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a wonderful video, just like the one you're about to watch, YouTube is going to notify you of such videos. And also, if you're getting value from this particular video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you. Thank you for being part of my video. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also share it among your family and friends. I'll be sharing with you these particular websites that will definitely, if you're consistent enough, in the next 30 days, you'll be able to make for yourself 30,000 naira. Cool money that I'm sure that will actually help to alleviate the kind of suffering that Nigerians are passing through. And this website are websites that you can be doing simple tasks and some other thing that you are already doing without earning any living. So if you're able to take these websites very seriously, definitely you'll be able to be making serious cash for yourself. The first website we're going to be considering today is a website known as socialearningorg. Social earning is a particular website that will help you to earn some income by doing some minor social tasks. If you go to the website, it says at Social Earning, we understand the importance of connecting advertisers and earners in today's digital world. Our platform allows advertisers to grow their social media presence by posting tasks for earners to perform. In this particular case, you are an earner, you are not an advertiser because you have come to this particular website to make some money. So if you actually want to register on this particular website, to this particular place where you have sign up here, if you click on sign up, you will have some details that you definitely need to fill. The first one is your first name, the second one is your last name, then you have a username, then your email address, and you choose register as an earner, not as an advertiser, because you have come here to do some simple social media tasks that will actually earn you some money. I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular website on the description box of this particular video. Then you choose your password and also confirm your password. And when you finish, you click on register. Now let's just take a very quick look at how the inside or the interface of this particular website looks like. Let me just click on login and let's log in and see how the interface looks like. So the first thing you need to do when you go into this place, you see some tasks. You just click on tasks. Then when these tasks open up, these are the various number of tasks that you can perform on this particular website. You have a Facebook page follow. If you do this particular task, you're going to earn 5 naira, and you have TikTok page follow. If you do this particular task, you're going to also earn 5 naira. But what you need to do is that before you start doing these tasks, you must click on social media so that you'll be able to submit your social media handles. Now, if you click on this social media, for instance, now you will see a lot of social media that are actually submitted. You're going to submit your WhatsApp, your Play Store, your App Store, your Telegram, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Facebook, and once you click on these things, you take them at least a maximum of 24 hours for them to verify your social media hand. And once it is verified, the next thing you do that each time you click on this view task, for instance, now, then you come here and you come to this place, view job, and once you click on view job, it's going to take you to another interface where you are required to do this particular job. And this particular job is just to like this particular page. And once you like on this particular page, you come back to the site and submit a proof of what you have actually done. And the proof of what you have actually done is going to involve your social media hand that is connected to your Facebook page here. Now, the second site that will actually help you to make about 1,000 naira on a daily basis is a website known as pay to read emails. Pay to read email is a particular website that is going to pay you to read each email that are going to be sending to your mailbox. Now, if you keep reading all the emails they send to you on a daily basis, you'll be able to earn about $0.02. Now, if you look at this particular place, you can see that I've already had $5.54, and I still have about 9 emails that I have not read. I have about 9 emails that I have not, and each time I click on this email, it is going to take, once I click on this email, it's going to take me to all those emails that I have not read. And each of the email that I read here is going to add about $0.02 to my inbox. And once I get up to $15, I'll be able to withdraw this thing. So what you have to do this time around, let me just sign up from my account and show you how you can actually sign up into this particular website and start making your money. If you come here, you see on sign up, you're going to choose whether you are a male or a female. If you choose male here, you're going to fill your first name, you're going to fill your primary email, password, confirm your password, then you click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, they're going to send you a mail that you're going to confirm your email address. And once you confirm your email address, then you start receiving emails from them. Now, let me just click on sign in. Now, so that I'll be able to sign in for you to see the kind of tasks that they will actually give to me to do here. Then if I click on sign up here, it's going to take me to my dashboard. And if I click on inbox here, it's going to take me to some unread email. Like for instance, now you see this unread email here. If I click on this unread email, then it will now ask me to confirm that I've read this email. Then once I confirm that I've read this email, it's going to add $0.02 into my wallet. And the thing has already added now. There's still so many other ways through which you can earn money from this particular website by referring your friends to the website. And also, you can also download some mobile apps. You can also do some surveys. If you look at this page, there's so many offers. You have free offers, surveys, you have some books. These are some other ways that you can actually make money with paytoreademail.com. Another website that can actually make you 1,000 naira per day is a website known as Hawkit.ng. At Hawkit.ng, you'll be allowed to do some social media tasks like following a particular Facebook page, by liking some Facebook posts, by following some Instagram pages, by following some TikTok pages, or watching some TikTok videos. So in this case, if you are a newcomer here, you just have to click on create an account. You click on sign up, and once you sign up, you're going to fill all your details. You enter your full name, you enter your referral username. I'm going to give you my username because if you go to the description box of this particular video, you actually get my referral username. Then for me that I've already had my account, what I'm going to do here is to click on login. And once I log in, I'll put my email address and my password so that I'll be able to gain access to this. Now, if I click here, I'm going to log in. And once I log in here, you'll see the kind of social media tasks that you'll be doing on this particular website. The website has opened now. If you actually look at this website, then you see there are so many tasks you can do for you to be able to earn money from this website. And the one good thing about this website, you can also do some affiliate marketing. These are some products that are actually displayed on this website. If you sell any of this particular product, you'll be getting some certain amount of money, some certain percentage of it. Like this, you come here for you to do any social media task. You can click on this place here, or you can click on earn. When you click on earn, you're going to have different kinds of social media. And this place will say perform social media tasks and earn daily. If you click on get started, you will see different kinds of social media tasks that you will actually do to earn some money from here. You come here, you can post some social media ads on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, and on your TikTok. And each of these ones you post will earn you 100 Naira. And imagine by the time you are able to do like 10 placement of ads here, you are actually going to get 1,000 Naira. And by the time you keep on doing this thing for at least for 30 days, you are actually going to get at least 30,000 Naira. And another website that will also help you to make at least 1,000 Naira per day is a website known as Quick Paid Surveys. Quick Paid Surveys is just like almost something like pay to read emails website. And from this particular place, they'll also be sending you email. And each email you open, you'll be able to get $0.02. Now, as a newcomer, what you need to do is to click on sign up. You feel whether you are a male or a female. And once you fill, you write your first name, write your email address, choose your password, and also click on confirm password. Then when you finish, you click on sign up. And once you click on sign up, it's going to take you to an interface that looks like, let me just log into the website for you to see what the website looks like. Then click on not a robot. Click on log in. You're able to see, like in this place, I've already had $4.06 and I have about 20 emails that I've not read. So by the time I read these 20 emails, each and every one of them will accumulate to the amount of dollars that I've already had. There are still some other ways that you can make money from this particular website. You have a free cash surveys, cash offers, earning points, and pay to read email. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel at this particular point, please go and subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Turn on the bell notification as soon as I share some certain ways of making money, YouTube is going to notify you as quickly as possible. Then the last but not the least website we'll be talking about today is a website known as Sellz.co. Sellz is a particular way, is an affiliate website that if you join and start promoting their products, you will get paid for each product, for each person that buys a particular product. And all these things are just digital products. And if you come up further to this place, either you click start selling, like in this place, or you come to this place and click join Sellz. And once you click join Sellz, the first thing you need to do is to fill your first name, fill your last name, fill your email address, put your phone number, then you select your country. There are a list of countries that can actually join Sellz. We have Nigeria, United States, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, Uganda, European Union. That's different countries under European Union. We have Great Britain, Zambia, Tanzania. And once you fill here, you click I'm not a robot, then you now create your account. And let me just log in there so that you'll be able to see the interface of this particular website. Now, if you click on join here, that's if you have actually had an account. If you click here, then you click on login. Once you log in here, please, the other marketplace, these are some of the products you can actually promote. You have high profit affiliate program. Franklin Emmanuel is the course creator. You have the Upwork Mastermind program, then Ultimate Sales Funnel Mastery, the Complete Importation Business Training, and YouTube Acceleration Program. So if you can promote any of these particular products here, you will get paid each time a customer buys any of this product. And each of these products have good affiliate commission. Like this one has 15% affiliate commission. Almost all of them have 15% affiliate promotion. Like this one has $25. And once you promote it, you're going to get 50% of the $25. And if you want to do this thing, what you need to do is just to click on promote. And once you click on promote, it's going to take you to a place where you're going to view the sales page of this particular affiliate program. And once you can copy your affiliate link and begin to promote on your different platforms, your different social platform. You can promote it on your WhatsApp group, on your WhatsApp status. You can also promote it on your Facebook profile. You can also promote it on your YouTube if you have a YouTube channel. You can also promote this particular thing over other channels like Instagram. So what you have to do is to make sure, and you can create a video around this thing and begin to promote it on your TikTok. So make sure you're going to visit all these websites, sign on, and continue to do tasks on a daily basis. And before you know it, at the end of 30 days, you'll be able to see what you have actually made. If you have watched to this particular point and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And if there's anything you want me to do on a particular video, please go to the comment section. I will always be there to attend to everything. Go to the comment section. Begin to say whatever you want to say. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.